Hey, this is Danny with Hyundai AC Parts. I'm going to show you a very common issue that happens with units that have blower motors with modules in them. So the first thing you start noticing is not blowing air. And then you look at your unit and it'll probably have ice in the pipes that come in through here, usually on the black pipe that has the Armaflex, or underneath where the coil is, you're going to see ice. So, and then you're also going to hear like a do noise, like it's trying to start. So when you open up this panel with the unit on, it doesn't matter, you can have electricity to it, you want it to be running so you can see this. You're going to see that these fans are going to roll very slow, or it's going to be rocking back and forth. It's going to do this, do like that noise, okay? And then we're going to go towards the motor side. You usually see that the motor has a plug in it. That means that it has little prongs like these guys here onto the motor. That means that it has a module. It's like a computer. It helps it ramp up and ramp down. It's more high efficient units. These boards slash modules go bad, and that's what causes these motors to go bad. You can jump it out with a regular PSC motor with a capacitor, or you can change the exact same motor. We have them here programmed. It's just, you have to unscrew here, slide this out. It's very simple, and then just replace the motor. And that's it. You should be good. Just start it back up and you should be good to go.